Hi, welcome to solveandgo.com. This video is the next in a series of videos answering questions from the Math 1 through 5 final exam. This one uses logarithmic differentiation. This is question 15. We have that f of x is tan x to the power of cos x, and we're asked to find f prime at pi over 4. Okay, so because we have a function in the exponent here, we want to use logarithmic differentiation. The first step, for convenience, we're going to let y equal f of x, and then we're going to take the logarithm of both sides above. So we get ln of y equals ln of tan x to the power of cos x, and using the exponent rule for logarithms, this is cos x times ln of tan x. You can see that squeezed in there. Okay, now the idea is to take the derivative of both sides. So doing that, we get the derivative of ln of y is 1 over y times y prime, using the chain rule. And then the derivative of this right-hand side over here, we're going to use the product rule. So the derivative of cos is sine x, and we multiply by ln of tan x, and we add to that cos of x. We're going to have to put this on the next line. We add to that cos x times the derivative of ln of tan of x. So that should be 1 over tan of x. Okay, the derivative of ln is 1 over, times the derivative of tan, which is secant squared x. Okay, then solving for y prime, we get y prime equals y times what we have above, so it's sine x ln tan x, plus cos x times secant squared x over tan x. Now, typically we'd want to simplify this, but we're asked to evaluate this at a point. So we might as well just plug the values in to each of these functions involved in the derivative, and then evaluate the answer. Okay, so let me erase this here. First of all, y is f of x is tan to the power of cos x. So what's y of pi over 4? It is tan of pi over 4 times to the power of cos of pi over 4. Tan of pi over 4 is 1, and cos of pi over 4 is 1 over root 2. So y at pi over 4 is 1. So when we plug pi over 4 in down here, when we plug it into y in particular, we'll get 1. So y prime is 1. Okay, we evaluated y at pi over 4 times sine of pi over 4 is 1 over root 2 times ln of tan of pi over 4, which is 1, plus cos of pi over 4, which is 1 over root 2, times secant squared of 1 over root 2. Secant squared is cosine, so this is 1 over root 2 squared. Okay, so this is secant squared. Secant is 1 over cos, and we know cos of pi over 4 is 1 over root 2, so this becomes 1 over root 2 squared. And then we divide that here by tan of pi over 4, which is 1. And this is all in brackets. I'm going to erase the derivative below. What we end up with is, well, ln of 1 is 0. So this is 0. And so we're just left with this term here, which is 1 over root 2 times 1 over 2 divided by 1, which ends up being 1 over root 2. 1 over root 2 is 2. So we get 2 over root 2, which is the square root of 2, and that's the solution and the answer to question number 15.